what's up, YouTube? This is DuttyBerry, and welcome to another story time. No, I really need to get that intro. Alright, so this story is about the time I peed my pants around Miss Lisa Hanna.
Miss Jamaica!
Oh gosh, it was very embarrassing. I don't know why I'm talking about it here. I'm pretty much sure she wasn't aware, but hey, it's called a story time, and I guess I have to share it. So, as you guys might know, some months ago, was it last year, I contacted Lisa Hanna and I was able to secure a day with her at Do Road with Dutty vlog with Miss Lisa Hanna. So it started off with the day with her at the gym. I do all of them little things there, and then I went back home, get a little nap, get food for eat, and I was supposed to meet her at garden house downtown for finish the vlog series. Because it was, what was it, man? It was Students' Day or Youth Parliament Day. Yeah, Youth Parliament Day, where you have one bag of young leaders, them, one bag of little pitney. Well, not little pitney. You know them pitney were they really enough and just very bright. I used to walk around with the one bag of badge them and the one bag of pen them, and them in charge of every single club. Them type of pitney there, the day in Parliament, the day there. And Lisa Hanna was there because she had to make a little water tanks or some speech there, along with a few other ministers. Some of the there now, I come in there, I sit down, everything kind of alright, everything kind of get jiggy. Me I listen to the people that I talk, I look down, I see Lisa and then Meek, she look very pretty, she wear one blue dress, and she there check her phone, she fix up her little ear, she like told them I say, and just a bit little Pocahontas that she is. So at some point now, I realized say I kind of want for wee-wee, I kind of want to use the bathroom. I had no idea where the bathroom was, so I decided say I'm going to go inside and go one like a corner and I'm going to talk to the staff them. I talked to the staff, I asked them where the bathroom was. They were like, oh, it's just downstairs. I was like, okay. No, people, when I got to the bathroom, it was way downstairs. I got to the bathroom now and said, okay, I am going to urinate. When I decided something I'm going to start, like I was peeing from was a good, I don't know, it was like the longest pee I think I can ever remember. Me I pee for like 2 commercial breaks. That's the way they feel like. Me I pee for most about like a good 45 seconds. It's just one trailer load of piss. Piss on top of piss. I was just peeing. And finally when I think I finished now, I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm going to go back. I'm going to take in the little youth parliament now. People. Yeah, so when I finished and decided so I just go and go zip up my pants, my ungrateful teely wheelie decides to want to come betray me and just lego like 10 seconds worth of other piss. I wasn't prepared for it and I was in a brown pants, so the whole trail of piss just show up on my pants. And at this moment now I'm like, oh, okay, I cannot go back upstairs because people are gonna know some smell rank. So right as my about to come out of the bathroom now, it's like some of the students them that did their garden house, them coming at the bathroom now and them start to hail me up. Me can't turn around to them now because the whole of my pants piss up. Somebody there now I'm like, yo, big up yourself, yeah man, ever good, you know, DuttyBerry, I'm such a fan, yo, big up, keep up doing. I'm like, yeah man, do yourself good and just forward out. So I went into one of the stalls them now and I took one of the people with the tissue, I mean I try to just kind of just dampen my pants for kind of get rid of the little ranking smell. Eventually when we get one like a 10 seconds free break, I stepped out now. I step out now and I decide so
yo, you smart berry, sunlight, you have something called evaporation, you have something called heating, you have something called drying. So I went out downtown Ponder Road while the whole youth parliament are gone and decides that if me just stand up on the sidewalk and make the sunlight and the rays them just shine down on my pants, it will get rid of the rankiness and get rid of the little piss up stain.
So I did that for about a good 10 minutes. People are walk past the road and I hail me up like, yo, DuttyBerry, where you do this, sir? I'm like, yeah, man, I'm just there. But that's easy. After about 15 minutes now, I realized that the sunlight now helps. So I went inside and said, I'm going to just walk around at the AC and make everything kind of dry. At one point I found this, what do you call this ventilator, this vent, and it come from like under the ground. And I said, alright, I'm going to stand up right there. I'm going to stand up right at the vent and make the breeze just blow up on my pants scratches and everything will go just dry and I'll be good and I can go back inside because sit down. Just as me reach like a ventilator, I stand up and I take my little breeze out. Now Lisa Hanna that must just pop through the corner and start to walk towards me. Right as me didn't know. And I try to find my crutches area. So she sees me now and same time I get frightened now. So I pucker up now, I turn around to my side. Come I never want to see me the kind of pee up myself. So she tells me now that she's leaving to go into her car. And I'm like, yo, I know that Lisa Hanna travels with AC. She drive with AC in the car. And if me going there now, she'll smell the rankness. And she did it with our driver and she did it with our PR person. And I'm like, yo, this can't happen. So luckily, I walk with my Axe perfume. So I went into one little corner, I took it out of my bag, and I sprayed myself all over with the Axe. I dabbed my body with the Axe. I dabbed my crotches area, every single thing just to get rid of the smell. And I went. When I went into her car, the place stink of cologne. Lisa, I remember at one point she was like, and she had talked to me and like, no, she don't want to ask me why the place smelled so strong of cologne, but she never did. I'm very grateful for that. And I was able to just go off scotch-free. So by the time I reached her office, I was smelling good and I was very dry. And when I came out, Lisa Hanna gave me a hug, and she had no idea that I had peed myself. That was it. That is how I got over that entire drama. Lisa Hanna, big up yourself. I'm sure you're watching right now. And yeah, you're very aware that I went into your car with my pee up self. So forgive me, please. You know, it was a very fun day though, but I really couldn't tell you. That's the reason why when I saw you, I kind of just was very shocked. I'm kind of just make a quick turn. Come never want you see. And big up all the people that they kept on interrupting me in the bathroom and me I try to dry off. I heal me upon all of these things. Yeah, that was that. So take care, people. Hope that you enjoyed that little story time. The time I peed myself around Lisa Hanna. I don't know why I dig out my ear. So if you enjoyed it, make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and don't forget to subscribe. My birthday is the 26th of May. That's next week, Friday. Yeah, I'm a Gemini, so feel free to comment and send me a gift or a present or whatever you like. If you want to email me or book me, it is TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care. Until next time.